What's up guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be opening up some Webull stocks that I got 8 of them. I'm pretty excited for today because each stock has a minimum of being $12 and a maximum of being $1,400. So if I do my math correctly, today we're going to net a minimum of $96. I'm going to leave a link to our exclusive referral code down below if you guys want to get your own free stocks. They're actually doing a pretty cool promotion where you could enter to a raffle that they're doing, and they're giving away 100 free Google stocks. But with no further ado, let's jump into it. Alright, so let's load up the Webull app. Alright, free stocks. So you can see I got 8 of them right here, so let's start with that first one. Levy, $12.42. I think this is the jeans Levy, so that's pretty cool. Let's get another one. Levy. I was watching a few YouTube videos of people opening stocks, and there's like a lack of diversity with the stocks, so I'm pretty sure they're all probably gonna be the same. I'm not complaining, free money. See what the other one is, Levy. Next one, Levy again. Kind of knew this was gonna be the thing, but hey, it's free stocks. That's what I wish Webull would work on, is diversifying their free stocks, so you kind of get a little diversification going. So we got 3 left, so hopefully we get like a Facebook or something. Another one. Levy again. 1 more left. That's lagging, come on. Levy. Sweet. You guys, so it looks like the end of the video cut out, but what happened was we got 8 free stocks of, I know I was mispronouncing it, just read it how I see it, but of Levi's. We got 8 stocks of Levi's at $12.43, which nets us a return of today of $99.44, almost $100. So I'm not complaining, it's free money that I got just for referring people. And if you want to start referring people, just sign up with my link, you'll get a free stock, and then maybe you can give out your link to your friends and get your portfolio going. But yeah, all in all, pretty good day. Can't complain. I'm just kind of disappointed in Webull for their selection on free stocks. I wish it would have been a little bit more diversified and not as selective, but you can't complain, it's free money. So see you guys on the next one. I got some good videos coming up.